This is Kim Brooks, national best-selling author of the novel He's Fine, But Is He Saved? And also How to Date and Stay Saved. And guess what? Last year we had gospel speed dating, and I received tons of feedback about how people enjoyed themselves. Tons of people came out. Well, guess what? We're going to do it again this year, bigger and better than ever. We're going to be doing gospel speed dating plus on Sweeties Day in Detroit. We're going to have gospel speed dating, which basically is a series of mini introduction. You're going to get a chance to meet new people across the table. It's a fun experience. Plus, we're going to have ballroom lessons and dancing to your favorite contemporary gospel jams. Plus, there's going to be a comedy show. We're going to have comedian Melvin, Mailman Bender. Now, he's a hilarious comic. He's been on BET's Comic View. He's a clean comic. I've seen him before. He's very funny. We're going to have him as well as hosted by comedian Mike Larry, another funny comic. I've seen him as well. So I'm excited about having the both of them. Plus, light refreshments. Plus, it's going to all take place right here at the International Institute. Yes, at this hall, we're going to have all this room and all this space to dance and have fun with the Lord and just have a good old time. Plus, free parking, free private parking, so you don't even have to pay for parking. Plus, you don't even have to gospel speed date if you don't want to. If you want to just come and socialize, mix and mingle, meet new people, support, have a great time, you can do that as well. Now, if you do decide to gospel speed date, which is great fun from what I've heard from the feedback I received from last year, then I just ask that you this time pre-register for gospel speed dating through my website, KimOnTheWeb.com. Click on the gospel speed dating link and then send that information. That way we can be ready for you when you come. Amen. Plus, I'll be making a special announcement about my next project. It's not what you think it is, but come on out and find out what that's going to be. Plus, autographed copies of my book, How to Date and Stay Saved, will be available for purchase. Plus, you get all this gospel speed dating, ballroom lessons, comedy show, and so much more for how much? $10. $10 until October 10th. 10 till the 10th. You can order online, or you can pick up your ticket at God's World. And if you go there, tell Brother Larry I said hello. Now, after the 10th, it's going to be $15 online and at the door. So be sure and get your ticket by the 10th. If not, hey, that's okay.